Located at the far end of a terraced landscape, this house was previously abandoned and nearly forgotten by its owner. Over the years, wild plants, collapsed structures, and scattered debris had taken over, making it a desolate wasteland in the village. Upon the first visit, it was evident that stray animals, birds, bees, and palm-sized spiders had claimed the space as their habitat. However, at the site's edge, two toon trees had continued to thrive despite the neglect, as if they were protecting the land and the wildlife within. Welcome to today's house analysis video, where we will explore the stunning transformation of House of Bluff, designed by Chaoffice. This project turns a 305 square meter abandoned site in Mentougou District, China, into a vibrant and inspiring retreat. The owner decided to transform this abandoned site into a joyful and relaxing retreat. The new development includes 5 bedrooms, expansive indoor and outdoor spaces with breathtaking mountain views, an open-air bathtub, a swing, and a slide. The goal was to create a space that brings happiness and tranquility to both adults and children. The transformation from a wasteland into a sanctuary mirrors the process of rejuvenation. Inspired by Lucas Cranach, the elder's painting, Fountain of Youth, which contrasts an intricately designed sunken basin with a surrounding barren landscape. This design employs simple geometric forms to breathe new life into the space, turning it into a playful retreat. With a limited budget allowing for a 300 square meter construction area within the original 400 square meter courtyard, the space initially felt somewhat sparse. Additionally, a large neighboring building loomed over the site, dominating it on all three dimensions. Simply placing a new structure here could have resulted in an awkward relationship between the house and its surroundings. To address this, the design team created multiple semi-outdoor spaces and independent structures, achieving a sense of grandeur despite the limited footprint. The design is based on a modular cubic unit of 4.5 meters by 4.5 meters, which is adapted to form rooms, porches, or hollow frames. In some cases, parts of these units were intentionally removed to enhance natural light and improve sightlines for neighbors, as well as to soften the building's impact on the surrounding street. These interconnected spaces contribute to the home's distinctive playground-like atmosphere. Externally, the house features an exposed concrete frame combined with stone infill, creating a solid and durable facade. Internally, the walls are finished with warm-toned stucco plaster, while the structural frames are clad in wooden paneling. This deliberate contrast between two materials not only enhances the visual appeal, but also symbolizes the dual relationship between structure and maintenance systems, enriching the architectural narrative. The main entrance is positioned at a higher elevation in the northwest corner of the site. Upon entering, visitors descend a staircase into a double-height main space on the ground floor. The kitchen, living room, and dining area are arranged from south to north, with an outdoor sunken bathtub directly facing the entrance to the south, nestled beneath an exposed concrete frame. This sunken bath is supported by folding concrete beams and vertical columns, with additional vertical concrete structures located above the ground floor kitchen and its central fireplace. The striking visual effect of fire appearing below the water-filled bathtub even led to a brief consideration of naming this project the House of Hot Pot. The transformation of House of Bluff offers valuable design inspiration for those looking to renovate or build a home. 1. Utilizing semi-outdoor spaces. Creating semi-open areas can provide a sense of spaciousness and seamlessly integrate indoor spaces with the surrounding environment. 2. Incorporating simple geometric forms. Simple shapes enhance modern aesthetics while maintaining construction efficiency. 3. Using locally sourced materials. Incorporating locally available materials such as stone from the original site can help reduce costs and add unique character to a building. 4. Integrating natural elements. Preserving existing natural elements, such as the toon trees in this project, helps foster harmony between architecture and nature. By understanding the design approach used in House of Bluff, we hope you gain ideas and inspiration for your own home projects, creating a space that is not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing and in harmony with its surroundings.